five. Do it. Give him a high five. Huh? Do it with you? Okay. High five. All right. Yeah.
All right, guys. Good morning. What do you say? We are here in Manhattan again, and somebody made a special request.
I want hot dog.
Oh. Look at that.
Take a bite. Take a bite.
Take a bite. Tell us how it is. Oh. Okay. She'll tell you later. You tell them later? But this is the first New York hot dog we have, and it's not even for any of us. It was all Zayana, and she goes, I want a hot dog. And I said, you need to tell me when you see one. And she found one. How was it now? Thumbs up? Thumbs up. We got him.
Look at that. That looks amazing. What did you do, Mom?
Oh my God.
They make these bagels fresh daily, like right as you order them, and it looks amazing.
Jonathan's cousin was so nice, and she picked them up for us. I'm trying to look up what it's called. S-A
bagel.
Clearly they make them fresh there, and we just asked for like lox. So it's like salmon lox, cream cheese, red onion, capers, and it looks like lettuce.
Looks amazing.
Amazing. There you go, babe.
So we're now in Central Park, and Zayana, and we're about to ride the carousel, and Zayana really wanted the biggest, the tallest horse around. Literally, this horse. You okay? Okay, hold on tight. This horse is even taller than me. I'm standing up, guys. But yeah, we are gonna do this. This is Sebi, my cousin. Hi. Aww. And Zalia and Mom's over there. You guys ready? Let's do it. Alright, so we're still in Central Park, but this is actually part of the park where, you know, yeah, the snakes are out here. You like the snakes, Zaya? Leah? You like the snakes? Yeah. And this is, you know, part of the park where a lot of movies are shot, which is really cool. And they have a show over here which my parents are watching, and which is probably why I can't find them, but let's see if we can find them. My parents are ridiculous. I started following them. I was right behind them, and once, you know, part of the show where people come out, ask for money, my parents just walked away. What a shame.
Ya cuando nos pidieron dinero, no fuimos.
I know. I was right behind you guys. And after I noticed they were asking for money, I saw you guys left.
Did he vlog in Central Park? But now we are in the Upper West Side. I only know that because we found some random, like, I guess like flea market, like a vendor, like a bunch of vendors, like a crafts fair kind of thing. And we stopped at this adorable booth. Joanna Baker is her name, and Zayana really wanted stickers, and I really like the stickers, so we got some to use in my planner. But I asked her, and the gentleman there, I was like, what neighborhood are we in? Because we really don't know where exactly we are. We just stumbled upon this place because it's so fun to just like find random things, right, when you're traveling. So we'll show you guys what we have, but we're just probably gonna eat the rest of the day. So we'll see.
What'd you get, Zaya? Stickers?
Stickers.
Yeah.
Do you know what those are? We've said it like a billion times.
Have you eaten a macaroon before?
No.
No.
They come in all different flavors.
You know who makes those really, really well? Uncle Mark.
Ooh,
He's a
yeah.
pastry chef.
You have a macaroon sword.
Yeah, you have a
Oh,
you
yeah.
have a macaroon uncle. Maybe mommy won't even do it. We'll just tell uncle there's a new trend. It's called Macaroon Monday.
Uncle Mark Macaroon.
Yeah.
Yep. There
Yes,
you go.
it'll be new hashtag. Uncle
Yeah.
Mark's Macaroon Monday. It'll be a segment. Yeah. Yeah, I was like- and everyone will know him as Uncle Mark, like you. How does that sound? Should we call
Yeah.
him? Should we FaceTime him and tell him? Nope. Okay.
Thank you guys. Alright, after an afternoon of walking through the park, Zayana's finally taking a nap. We bought Celia some chicken tenders, but all she's eating is ketchup. And Mom, what do we get, Mom?
We are sharing. We went to Shake Shack. We've had it before in Chicago, but we thought, okay, we're here in New York, let's give it a try. Last time we just got a plain cheeseburger, so this time we went with something different. It's called the Shake Stack. And it's the portobello mushroom burger,
Mmm.
or portobello mushroom cheeseburger. I added some bacon.
Mmm. How is it? Really good?
That's actually really good.
Okay. Okay, now I need to
Kinda
put
wish
this
we
down.
weren't sharing.
Oh wow, dang.
Okay, instead of going home, we decided to make one last stop. And I think Zayana, I think she's excited.
Right there behind the boat.
What is it?
Statue of Liberty.
They can't hear you. What is it?
It's the Statue of Liberty.
Oh my gosh.
Behind the boat.
Behind the book. Okay, can you show us in your book? Show us in your book.
See, it has boats. See, it has water.
Oh
and it
my
has
gosh. So in the book it says, show them,
Everyone.
show them.
Everyone.
Okay, let's see. Everyone, she's saying. Okay, let's say what?
Right there, everyone.
I want to see. Let me see in your book. I wanted to see your book. Green.
Can I see?
Yeah, green. Let me show green Statue of Liberty.
Wow.
I'm gonna try to show them.
And it's right.
Right. Okay, we gotta zoom.
Yeah.
Zoom. There's a boat. And that's, oh, it's going still. There it is.
Zalia's very
Green.
excited about the water.
Green Statue of Liberty. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna
Seriously.
be.
I thought it's something that you'd have to look up to or something.
Well, we're not like next to it, so I guess.
I know.
But it's like, even from here, it's like, little bitty thing. It barely fits between my fingers. Hi, Statue of Liberty. But the real reason we came all the way down here, I mean, it really wasn't that bad. It was one subway ride, about 30 minutes. Felt fast, but it's kind of far in terms of like, we have to go back home and it'll be like 40 minutes, and not so bad, maybe an hour. But the real reason we came here is super exciting. So Jonathan's cousin heard about this carousel, and I had no idea what this was, right? But it's like a glass carousel. So we really want to check it out. That's really why we came all the way down here by the water. So we'll show you guys that in a little bit.
So this is new, right?
I don't know.
Oh.
This
I don't know.
definitely looks like it's for adults.
Kind of. It kind of does.
Like they're big, like y'all just have to see.
Yeah.
We'll bring you. We'll just bring you.
It's only $5 a person, so it's not bad at all.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like 10, maybe
Yeah,
like
because
$12.
it looks nice, and it's not just a regular carousel. It's something like pretty legit.
It's like not up and down.
Yeah, check this
But
out.
it is.
Are you excited, Zayana?
Have you ever seen something like this before? I've never seen anything like this. It's so
This is so cool.
morning. So we are starting the day eating already. First thing, we are kind of staying far from Manhattan. It's about like a 30-40 minute ride. So we're not really eating in our area. Like we're picking up like snacks and like trying out pastries here and there, but there's like nowhere to eat breakfast really on a Monday. It's Monday today. So we decided first thing we're gonna do is get pizza. So we're close to Grand Central Station right now. We're in this place called Urban Space. It's kind of like an urban food court. Luckily they had coffee here. Something I noticed is that places for coffee don't really have flavor. Like, I guess it's like I'm a basic California girl, and I just need some freaking caramel or like vanilla in there. They don't got that stuff. But their almond milk, she didn't lie, it does have some sort of like almondy nut flavor. And it's good. But what we're really here for is this. It's a spot called Roberta's. Roberta's. Jonathan's cousin told us about it. She's from New York and totally recommended it. They have a spot in Brooklyn, but we're here in Manhattan trying it instead. According to everyone's consensus, it's delicious.
Someone said the best pizza he's ever had.
So that says a lot. Because we're all really picky at this table. We really have high expectations, and if that's a statement that's been said, I believe it. That's real. That's all genuine. Zayana, this is like the best pizza ever. Give it a try. It's just cheese, I promise. There's no green stuff. Really picky.
Ooh, look how cheesy that is. Yummy.
Is it yummy? Oh, that's like daddy. That's the yummy reaction. Woo!
It wins, it wins.
So, oh my gosh. Zayana wants to win. Zayana wants to win. So, but Zalia's screaming her head off. We're trying to cross the Brooklyn Bridge. Okay, well, just get away from Zayana or Zalia, or else her crying is in the video. Can you guys hear her? Ah! We even took a picture of all of us pretending, or at least me and Zay pretending to cry while she's crying in the thing. Jonathan could probably pop it in. It's like me and Zay going, golly, it's nap time. I don't blame her. But we really wanted to walk on this bridge because at home, Zayana is always mad that we've never walked the Golden Gate Bridge. Oh God, but what'd you say? But now her legs are tired. And you want to walk the Golden Gate Bridge? I don't know, children. Guys, she finally fell asleep. We're almost to the end of the bridge. Yep, there she is. She only fell asleep in our arms. I walked maybe like a third of it with her in my arms, what do you think? Or like a quarter of it. And this is like this is almost like a 1.5 mile long bridge, this walk. So that's pretty far. Like, I haven't worked out during this trip at all, but what's the point when you're gonna be walking the Brooklyn Bridge with a 30-pound baby in your arms? Like, she's my workout for today, guys. But this bridge is not as long as I thought it was gonna be. What do you think?
It's pretty long, but yeah, it's not bad. I think it's shorter than the Golden Gate Bridge, right? I think so.
I don't know. It's funny because I used to work for visitor information in San Francisco, and that's something I used to know, but I have no idea.
Our next stop, of course, more food. We have ice cream, and this is, what is this place called?
Van Leeuwen ice cream and vegan ice cream.
Give me 1 second, let me change this battery, sorry. This chick over here. What are you doing? Is it good? Is it good?
She's happy.
Oh yeah.
She's happy.
She's truly happy.
She's like in a happy place right now. She has ice cream. I just watched her try to figure, like, I saw her sitting on that thing, and then I saw her like dripping, and I could tell she needed a napkin. Like, she wanted to like lick it all, so we got her a napkin. And she's trying to figure out, how am I gonna sit and enjoy this? So instead, she made the napkin a placemat so she won't make a mess. And just check her out. She loves the city. Like, it's just like her, I don't know, like, she likes ocean, right? But I could tell she loves cities. She's just like our little traveler.
Van Leeuwen is what it's called, and you know, usually because the weather's so hot, Ryan and I are not sharing. We usually go for something more chocolatey, more coffee flavored. But I went with an Earl Grey and a pistachio. And the pistachio has peanut butter with it, so it's really good. And I'm very happy. And it's really hot, humid, more humid than hot here in New York. So this is definitely really good right now.